Tonight the torches blaze on Howlfort's wall. The snowlight burns, I hear her call. Her wedding song rings far, not mine. Her name still cuts this heart of mine. The groom, the man I called my brother, took the woman I burned for and no other. The wind cries outside their golden hall, while frost bites through my tattered shawl. Their harps arise like ghosts in bloom, and I ride through fields of endless gloom. The fortress laughs, her windows bright, each spark a dagger in the night. Their firelight, my torch of sorrow, their wedding night, my road to hollow, they toast to love, I bleed for sin. Howlfort burns, I burn with them. The snow beneath me hides no trace, but memory carves her silent face. I see her lips, her trembling vow. She'll be safe, but never mind now. 100 riders haunt my name, they steal the echo of